Hi friends, just we are the IT people. Just we are going to share you how you can make career in the IT. This is especially for the fresher who do the graduation, BTech, BA, BCom, BCA, MCA. After that also they do struggle to get the job. There are some students who get the campus selection, so that is good opportunity for them. But the for the student who do not get the campus selection, so they struggle sometimes in the market. After that they get also success in the industry. So this is the informative video just we are making. So first you have to understand what are the trend, what are the market requirement. So based on the market requirement, once you make yourself the expertise in particular skill set, then you can prepare and you can make ready yourself to get a selection in that particular fields. So there are lots of the opportunity, like you can make your career in the business analyst, data analyst. In that there are lots of the scope in the data scientist. So that is also a good and very high demand current. And another you can plan for the your SAP. In SAP there are lots of the modules. So based on your skill set, based on your knowledge, you can talk to any your counselor also, they can suggest. So if you are a graduate, so what you should do in the SAP, there are lots of module. For example, just I'm telling you, like FICO, then SD, MM, PM, PS, QM. In ISU there are lots of the module, like there are mostly your device management, AMI, EDM, then billing and invoicing, RTP billing, real time billing, then FICA. Currently there are good opportunity in the BRIM technology. In BRIM technology you can get knowledge about CCCI, SOM, and RAR. So if you are going for the functional, so you can become functional. Either you can become basis. So for basis you have to get the learning for the basis. So all the admin related activities you can do in the basis. And in project system, Murli will tell the basic thing. Yes, Murli.
Sir, project system is nothing but the scope of work what the client is required. So as per that client requirement, we create the project structure.
Hmm.
As per that, like project definition, project WBS,
Hmm.
network or activities.
Hmm.
So we create one structure. As per that, the project will be done. So
Hmm.
all the cost, whatever the project is incurred, so in the project, so
Hmm.
that all cost is captured in the WBS,
Hmm.
and from WBS to finance, all the settlement will go, sir.
Oh, good, good. Very informative information you gave to our all the viewers, so they can get the knowledge. If they are interested, so they can make a career in PS module. Gulli, you tell about the PM object.
PM से बोले तो PM तो very small module, you can easily learn. PM तो ये maintenance plan maintenance. We
Hmm.
can create the schedule the maintenance plans
Hmm.
and create the audits through the equipments like.
Hmm.
It is very easy to learn, quickly learn module. I refer to learn PM.
Oh, that's great. So, guys, in plant maintenance, you can do all the service related activities. For example, yeah, if meter is installed at your home, so for the meter inspection, meter removal, meter replacement, if you do any query, So for that service activities get created, and suppose you are using your vehicle. So suppose we create the scheduling that after particular period it should get inspected. In the industry there are lots of the equipment which need to get inspected, which needs to do the quality calibration. For that we do the automation, so system trigger the notification, so the concerned departments can be aware, like what the equipment at what period the calibration should be the executed, inspection should be done. So all these activity we cover in the plant maintenance module. Yes,
We have basis module.
Jagan, please tell about the basis.
Tell me the basic things.
Basic thing.
Just to give a small introduction about the basis, so newcomers can understand, because there are lots of the student, lots of the people who don't know, who are not aware about what are the basis.
वो तो बोलो पहले टेक्निकल क्या है.
It is totally technical. So in the basis mostly we do all the security related activities and the installation of the SAP.
Sir also.
Sir already.
You also.
Yeah. Jagan, please. We want
no.
we want from your side, because you are the more expert.
Basis is a technical model, and
Mhm.
we have to learn many things in basis.
Yes.
Like user creations, administration,
Mhm.
client copies, etc. etc.
Mhm.
Most of the very good model basis is.
Mhm.
So everyone easily learn.
Mhm. So guys, as Jagan told that basis is basis administrator work. So if you learn the basis, so you can work as a administrator in any organization, and you can become a good consultant as a basis consultant. And by doing all this learning you can get easily jobs. And good to know you guys that in this field you can get a job in India, in abroad also. There is lots of the scope, there is lots of the tremendous scope, but you have to become perfect in that particular fields, particular area. And the salary structure if I tell, so normally 3 lakhs to 30 lakhs based on the experience, knowledge, you can get package in the industry. If you go outside of the country, so you can go up to, you can get up to 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs package. So this is the good opportunity, but of course you have to become the consistent learner, you have to become the firm determinative, that you have to learn the new skills, then you can get good success in this particular fields. If you need any help, so you can contact us. You can get the contact details in the description box. So if we are free, so we can suggest to you, we can help you. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe, so other people also can get and can get aware of
Please
all the
share and
new.
subscribe.
Yeah. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.